YouTube, this is your girl D Spoiled Ass TABRON coming to you with another video. Today's video is going to be on a Louis Vuitton from Fashionphile. But before I get started, I want to say thank you for my subscribers. Thank you for the oldies and the goodies. Thank you to the newbies. And like I always say, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell so that you never miss another video. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see, I am in a different location. I am in my beauty room. So you have all my little objects and things behind me. Here's a new one that I picked up that I didn't do a video on. This is the Monogram Plus Clutch in Black. So I did pick that up. It has black in here and an inside here. No zipper on the inside, then a little slot right there. So I did pick that up over the period of time when your girl took a break from YouTube. So, in case you see it sitting there right there on the back of the background, you know, yeah, it's right there. Okay. So, like I said, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. Here is the box, you guys. This box came yesterday. And I did not get a chance to get on camera and do a unboxing because my battery was going dead. So I was like, I might as well just wait till tomorrow and we'll get it done. So, like I said, it's a true unboxing. Never been opened. So, y'all don't know what I went through to get this, by the way. Let me tell you. So, I ordered it from Fashionphile. And I paid 2 days to get it in 2 days. Which was an extra $21. No problem. Okay. So, then I looked on the website. And it was like, okay, it should be here on the 21st. Okay. So, I'm looking. Cool. Said out for delivery. I'm like, okay. So the UPS guy came and I had it sent to my job so that way I could sign for it. UPS guy came and I asked him, I was like, you got a signature package on the truck? Because he had came in the building already, brought some boxes and stuff. He's like, yeah, I got one. He said, I'll bring it back in. So we went out to the truck. Do you know he left? And I was like, hold up, what's going on? Wait a minute. I'm expecting a package. You guys, that was the nightmare of the day. Do you hear your girl? I had to call UPS. Not once, twice, or 3 times, but call UPS, okay? Then I had to call Fashionphile. I was getting 2 mixed signals. UPS saying, oh, it's still in this location. It didn't come today. Fashionphile said, oh, no, it's in this location. They just haven't updated. Okay. So, by then, it was almost like 2 o'clock. I get off at 3, you know. Your girl's like, wait a minute now. I got to figure out something because I can't be gone and my package come where somebody else can take it. Because we don't only work, whoever signs for it just signs, you know, for the package if I'm not sitting up at my desk. Your girl was frustrated, okay? So, I had to call Fashionphile, have them do a pickup in store. Okay. Waited overnight. Next day I looked. Said it was in Kansas City. I said, okay. Could have gotten hold of the store because I wasn't driving way out past my job to get to this, like an extra 15-20 minutes to get to the store. So finally UPS got to come back in again. And I'm like, hey, look, you left me hanging yesterday. My package, you know. He's like, oh, it wasn't on the truck. But you couldn't come back in and say nothing? Okay. So then I was like, well, I need that number or something where I can call and see if my package is at the store before I get to driving. He was like, all right. He gave me the number. You know, I called. They said, yeah, it was there. I said, okay. It's been hard to get this, okay? So, without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up since it was that hard to get this. Let's just hope that I don't have this issue tomorrow with the next one. Alrighty. Fashionphile. This item was new. Yeah, this item was marked new. As always, fingernail file. I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet. Good statement. Here is the receipt. In here, their logo. As always. Okay. Let's see if we can get this package out of here. Like I said, this item was new, or is new, and this here says use is the new. In this case, the new is the new. Here is the box. Like I said, this item was on my wish list. I just hadn't got around to it, so I'm just kind of like politely. Y'all see how I turned that real quick so y'all couldn't see the tag? Okay, but anyway, now that I'm politely working on that wish list, I figure why not do it? Okay. Came with the string. Magnetic lock. Here is the dust bag. And the item that your girl got is the Louis Vuitton Never Full and the monogram. It did come with the pouch, and that's the difference on mine. Never Full Demi Bean. When I got it, it didn't have a pouch at the time. This was way back before they started doing the Never Fulls with the pouches. But yeah, and I was always skeptical on getting monogram only because of the pochetta. I just didn't want to do the raindrops on it and leave the stains because that would bug me. It bugs me. So we're going to step out of the boundary line and see if we can handle it. I ain't got none. It's new. So we're going to try to keep it that way. I might have to keep a plastic bag with me. So if it's going to rain, I can put the bag over in there. Yeah. That's a good idea. Okay. So here is the bag, you guys. This is the MM size. And this says Louis Vuitton Monogram Neo. Comes with dust bag, box, and pochette, yeah. That is the certificate of authentication. Okay. Once you remove this tag, it belongs to you. You know that you can always, they give you a certain time to return it, and then they also buy the bag back from you. So I don't have to say too much about the Never Full because it's been out. Everybody and their mama already got one. Just me coming around or working on my wish list. Okay, then this was on the inside of it. Let's see what this is. A little card with nothing on it. I'm glad to know that it was really new, because this was their latest background, or whatever you want to call it, their latest theme. Yeah, so we do know now for sure. But you guys, I wanted to come on here and share that. Looks good. And since I knew I wanted this, I also had to get something else to go with that. So I did open this one. So let's go ahead and see what your girl got. And I ordered this from Amazon. So your girl had to go ahead and pick up an organizer. And I went ahead and got the black, because on the inside of the purse it is the brown. I thought the black would look nice and neat. And here is like the standard organizer with 3 spots here. You have 1, 2, and 3. Open area. 2 pockets here. An area here. This is where I keep my iPad at for now. And then you have 2 pockets here. 1, 2. But what I liked about this organizer was it came with more. You have a zipper here in the middle. So if I wanted to put my wallets, whatever, so that I know it won't fall out if it tilt, or nobody could just reach in and take it, you can put it right here. You have another big spot right here. You have another 1 pocket, 2 pocket, and 3 pocket. And it has Velcro right here. So all you do is match these 2 Velcros up with the 2 Velcros on the side here, and it stays in place. So let me do that. And it also came with a like a D-ring in the middle in here too. So here's like the D-ring. Okay, now I put the middle part in. You see it's not falling out. I zipped it up. So I paid $26.88 for this. And like I said, I bought it on Amazon. And the seller is ZTUJO. Don't know how to say it, so I spelled it. Huh? I'm helping you out. Okay, so let's put it over in here now. And this is how it looks. And then, like I said, you still have this in here, so that's right behind it. But you guys, I think I did good. I think I will be happy with this one. This bag was made in the, let's see, made in the USA, by the way. This was made in the USA, you guys. So, I just wanted to come on here and share my items with you. Always to just give you ideas. If you're thinking about purchasing these bags that I might have, letting you see if it's something that you might like or what you can do with the bag when you receive the bag. So you guys, until the next time, like your girl always say, remember to hit that bell, subscribe, share. Let me know that you're watching my videos. That's how I see that you're watching my videos. If you leave me a comment or I see that you're sharing it. Stay tuned, because I will be doing another video tomorrow. And I think tomorrow's bag is my Holy Grail bag for the brand of Louis Vuitton. Because like I said, I had another Holy Grail, but that was for the brand of the Chanel. And that was my GST tote, which is currently down there in her home. So that was that Holy Grail. So I think I found the Holy Grail for the Louis Vuitton. I am so excited. I can't wait. Hope everything goes smooth tomorrow with the UPS people. Okay? Okay? But until the next time, I'm out.